Hello, in this video I will show you all display settings on a Redmi 15C. So let's open display and brightness settings, and here you can find dark mode, also dark mode options, and here you can switch to dark mode automatically and also set dark mode for individual apps. There is also a brightness level. You can adjust the brightness of your screen by using the slider and also enable automatic brightness and sunlight mode. In the screen section we can find color scheme, which allows you to change your change scheme of your colors, so you can select these presets over here and also change color temperature by using this circle. We can find over here a reading mode, which allows you to enable more yellowish screen color, and this is good when you are reading something. This can help you with your eyes. There is also refresh rate. You can select refresh rate from 60 Hz up to 120 Hz. And also you can adjust fonts from here. You can change the font style and also adjust font settings over here. So you can make text bigger or smaller from this section. So basically that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.